Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Uh-oh. Don't worry, friends. We just need a puzzle plan.
Let's find a circle, smooth and round, to make a tummy on the ground. Add 2 ovals for his shoes. Pick bright R-E-D or happy B-Loos. Match the pieces one by one. Rebuilding Humpty is so much fun.
Snap the puzzle, pop the tape, recolor every shape.
All the king's horses start to cheer. The happiest egg is standing here. Humpty Dumpty stands up tall, the bravest friend of all. Humpty Dumpty safe and sound, dancing, spinning round and round. We put him together, yes we did. Give a big cheer for every kid.
You did it! We put Humpty back together. Subscribe to Kids Learning Trees TV so we can play again soon. Bye-bye!